Hi viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Ogundimo Olumide Olalekan, the CEO and founder of Lecrosoft Technologies. All right, I'm very glad to make this video, and it is based on so many requests that I got from my subscribers that they want me to create a video on how to open a YouTube channel on their smartphones. All right, so here we are right now, and before we go into the video, let me use this opportunity to express my appreciation to those of you that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. One love to you guys, and to those of you that are just visiting my channel for the first time, please kindly click on the word on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you won't miss my next video. All right. All right, if you want to create a YouTube channel, probably the best way is to use a PC or whatever, but still with your smartphone you can still get everything done, and without stress. All right, let's go straight into the video. The first thing you need to do is what you need to have a Gmail account, because by default, if you have a Gmail account, definitely you already have a channel, because once you have a Gmail account you have access to all the Google apps, you understand, because Gmail, YouTube, whatever, it's developed by Google, you understand. So now let's get started. Now you go to your browser. I use Google Chrome, and it's better you use Google Chrome, you understand. And if you're also using iOS app, you are using Android rather, I'm sorry, if you are using Apple, you understand, if you're using iOS, yes, it's still the same process, it's the same thing you get. So now on your browser, just go to this URL, youtube.com. Yeah, that's what you're gonna do now. youtube.com. Yeah, I got it. Now once you get there, now this is what you're going to do now, and you will click on this bright icon that is there, you understand, and but this is what I'm going to do. Let me quickly, because I already have a channel, but I want to quickly select a new what's it called, a new mail account. Let me just use this guy for instance, so that you're gonna get it better. Now once you visit that youtube.com, please don't go ahead and create a channel like that. The first thing you need to do is to click on this arrow that you have on your address bar. Let me try to highlight it so that you can get what I'm saying better. Yeah, so you click on this arrow that is here, you understand. So when you click on that arrow, then you will see so many options here. Now you select desktop size. You select what desktop size, you understand. So you are going to open the YouTube website in the desktop side because you are using your mobile phone. All right, so it's going to look like this now. The reason why you are doing this is just that if you open it in the desktop size, it's going to give you all the settings that you are supposed to have if you log in with a PC. But if you just use the mobile view, it won't give you all the settings. So that's the best option to go about it. You understand? And it's not as if you keep doing this all the time. It's just for creating the channels alone. So, and after that, I'm going to show you several ways in which you can manage your account. All right, now after doing that, now you click on this icon that has the first letter of your mail. You understand? So you click on that icon. So let's click on it now. Once you click on it now, let's click on it. All right, can you now see now you have so many options there, you have so many settings there. Now you can see this button that is there, create a channel. Can you see there now? Because if you do it this way now, it's going to give you the option to create a channel either for yourself or for your brand, you understand. But if you just use the normal mobile view, wherever, you will not have two options. It's only going to give you one option, you understand. So now that's why you have to extend your browser and let view it in a desktop view so I can have the same view you are supposed to have if you are using a PC. Now click on this create a channel, and I'll click on it, right? Can you see now? Now it's going to ask you now, is what was the name we want to use for that channel. Let me just use a random name. I'll just write test channel. Now, or let me write test TV, you understand? Anything you want to write, you can still change this name later, you understand? After giving your channel a name, then you click on, you can as well upload a picture here, you understand, for your channel. You can just, you can be your brand logo, whatever, you understand? You can just pick a random logo, and as a matter of fact, you can, you can decide to skip it and, still do that later, you understand? But if you want to go about it, you can still click on it and upload a picture. All right, let me try to upload a picture, or probably I just skip that, so we do that later, right? Yeah, I just have to go back. So I'm gonna do this guy now. I'm gonna create it. I'm gonna click on the sorry, it went back, desktop size again, and I'm going to click on this stuff, just what we did before. I'm sorry, it's when I back the stuff, it's returning back to the previous page. So I'm just trying to repeat what I just said earlier. You understand? So I'm waiting for it to load. Waiting for it to load. Yeah. So I just have to click on that icon that has the first letter of my mail. Then we just click on create channel, which is the button that I showed you earlier. Then you change your brand name, like you change your name to your channel name, the name you want to give your channel. I'm just gonna give it text TV, right? Just you can give it any name you want to give your channel. You understand? You can also be the name of your brand or whatever. Then you can also click here to upload a profile picture or whatever you can, or maybe the logo of your channel. Then you click on create channel. All right, you can see we are in the desktop view. You understand? So once you click on this now, let's wait for it to load. It seems my network is a bit slow, and that's why I don't want to upload the picture. But that's fine. That's fine. Now, can you see something now? You can see if you create it in the desktop view, it's going to give you so many options compared to when you just open the normal phone app or whatever, or maybe the normal browser in a mobile view. So I have so many options now, and we're going to talk about them, you understand? But the first thing you need to do now is is to click on this customize channel. You understand? You click on customize channel, the button, the first blue button there. Now, yeah, once you click on that, now it's telling you to what, to try out the YouTube Studio what's it called, app. But for now, just skip that. I'm still going to tell you about that. You understand? Because with the YouTube Studio app, that's what you're going to use to manage your YouTube analytics and your videos and whatever. But we're gonna get to that. But first off, let's just try to check it out. There's still the web version of the YouTube Studio, whereby it can also allow you to to customize your channel. Can you see now? Now when I click on that customize your channel and I click on that continue, it brings me to this page. You understand? And you say welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized inside the latest news and insider whatever. So now this is what we're talking about now. Now we are on this page. Now let me just close. Let's close this tip. Now the first thing you need to do here now, it's gonna we have the layout here, and this is where you can actually go to set your channel, your stamp saying now. So now let's talk about it now. The first layer, let's click on this guy now. Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. If you click on this one now, let's wait for it to load. Yeah, so it's going to give you a tip, you understand, like a video on how to customize your channel, and you can do that later, you understand? So now you can see this one now. When you can click on this option here, customize your channel, it's going to give you so many tips and how to go about it, you understand? So now in this place now, describe your channel's brand in 5 words. You understand? Is it all what's all about technology, blah blah blah, this and that, you understand? Just all those things, and it's just a kind of tips, you understand? So let's leave that. Let's go back to our home page. Let's go back to our home page. I mean the previous page that we had before. So let's go to this branding now, which is the branding here we have here now. Once you get to that branding, you can now upload your channel profile picture. Then you upload the picture. You can just click to upload a random picture. I'm just going to upload a random picture here. I have this picture here now. for my channel. Yeah, that's cool. Now I'm also going to this is the what's it called, banner image, like a kind of banner, just like a website banner for your YouTube channel. So at least the banner should be able to portray what your channel is all about or whatever. And you can always do it later. But with this now, you can have several settings. But if I click on this now, I'll be able to select some stuff like a kind of banner for my channel. I don't really have much, but I think let me just put this guy here. Or yeah, it's cool. Or let me just use this image here. Just for this um for the sake of this yeah, you can see now they said that the image must be at least 1024 times 576 pixel, so which you're gonna design, or maybe you resize your image. I don't have such image here, but it's what you can do. Then the last one I'm going to talk about here is the video watermark. Now with this, now you might decide to want to put a watermark on your video. So that watermark is what's going to be showing at the tip of your video, just like it can be your brand logo or whatever. Let me just select this image. Now if I start to make this image a watermark, now it's going to be appearing, in all my video, just to like, okay, show that yes, this is my, can you see now, assuming this is a video now, this is how the watermark is going to be appearing on your video. And you can decide to choose where it's going to stay, whether it is going to be end of the video, or you can customize the time that is going to enter, or entrance, all those kind of stuff. So now it can also be your logo, but as in some videos you can make it a kind of YouTube icon that you write subscribe, so it's going to be a fixed stuff, so you don't have to tell people to subscribe every time. You just have to like put this watermark there, and you can design stuff, and that's just once you do this now, the next thing you need to do is you go to basic info. Can you see now? Basic info. This basic info is where you are going to write a description of your channel, and please make sure you include all the keywords. If your channel is all about web design, you write it there: web design, this and that, design, this and that, blogging, all the stuff. Just write a description of your channel. This channel is all about this and that and this and that. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now in this channel you're going to learn a lot about Photoshop, about graphic design. Just make sure you include all those keywords. You understand? And this is your channel URL. You can just copy this URL, and you can share it to people to subscribe to your channel. All right, and aside that, again, you can decide to add your email. You understand? And then you can decide to also add links. Like maybe, for example, if you have a website, now you can click on this add links. You understand? For example, now my site is www.lecrusoft.com. Like that's if you have a site that you want people to I just write Lecrusoft, right? I think that's the title. Title is Lecrusoft. You understand? Yeah, right. The title is Lecrusoft. Yeah, and the site URL is www.lecrusoft.com. You understand? That's it, right? So now you can as well make the link to be on banner and all those things, and that's just it. Once you are done with this one, again, you can as well click on publish or whatever, just to save whatever you want to save. You understand? So let's quickly go to that first stuff we have there. Look at this featured section here. Now customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. Now when people log into your when people visit your channel link, you can decide the number of videos you want to display on the homepage. You can decide to create a playlist and that you want to display. You understand? So that's it, right? So once you are done with all this stuff, just click on publish. You understand? You can always go back to edit stuff. Now the channel has been published. Now you have already uploaded your image and everything. Fine. Now if you go down, you see this icon here, the setting icon that is here. Yeah, let me highlight it very well so that you can see this setting icon that is here. Yeah, that setting icon. So let's click on it now. Yeah, so with this now, you'll be able to set customize your channel in terms of the general setting. You can use the currency. You can set the currency which you want to earn, but just leave it as USD. You understand? Then I'm going to be talking about that in my next video on how to configure your site, your YouTube channel for monetization. You understand? But let's leave that for now. Let's quickly go to the next one, which is channel. You understand? Now the channel now, you can fill in the basic info, like maybe your country of residence. You just select your country. That's it, right? If it's Canada, if it's wherever, then this keyword is very, very important. Please, that's why you have to use the desktop view. Now, this keyword will tell people it is going to make your channel to be optimized for search engine. You understand what I'm saying now? If I'm into web design, I just write web design, web design. That's how your channel can rank on search engine, or maybe how to how to be a full stack developer. You understand what I'm trying to say now? Just write what you think people can search of. There are some things that, yes, so that this is my content, and if people want to search for it, this is how they can search for it. In my next video, I'm going to be telling you the tools that you can use to get the right keywords for your channel, so that even when you want to post a video on your YouTube like this, you get views, you get subscribers immediately. You understand? Because the keywords is going to determine the number of visitors. It's going to determine your position, the rank of your video on search engine. So please, that's why it is very important for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon so you won't miss my next video. It's very, very important. So now let's leave that now. So you write so many keywords, as many as possible that you want. You write it so that when people search through your channel, it's going to suggest your video on the top videos. You understand what I'm trying to say now? Now, after filling the country of residence, that's all. Yeah, right? Then you save it, right? What again are we missing here? Yeah, that's what they're trying to say now. If you have something like this web design now, you understand? Let's just keep it. Just put yeah, this guy now. You can put this hyphen there. But if you want to separate this, now this web design, you have to put comma. If you want to write another stuff again, you have to put comma, except if it is the last one. This is just one. All right, so that's it now. What again are we missing here? I'm using a mobile phone, so you can't compare it to what's it called? Using a PC. You understand? I don't know why I just brought me back to this place, but no problem. You understand? I just want to show you some other stuff again in that setting. Don't forget, I click on channel, and we've done this. Just write your keywords and you click on save. Another thing again, go to advanced setting. On that advanced setting, that is where you can determine your audience. You understand what I'm saying now? For example, now it's going to ask you if you want to set the channel content, if you want it to be made for kids or adults. So now, if you always want your what's it called, your video to always pop up this stuff whenever you want to publish a new video, you can choose I want to review these settings for every video. But if you want to set the default that, yes, so my channel content is meant for kids, then you can go ahead and select the first option here, which is my channel. Set this channel for kids. You understand? I always upload content that made for kids. But if you don't want it to have that features, if you want it to like be a kind of general content that, okay, yes, so I don't want it for kids, you can choose no. Set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that is made for kids. You understand what I'm saying now? And if you always want if you do this now, it's going to be a default setting that whenever you want to post a new video, it's not going to be asking you to select whether it is made for kids or not, because I've already done this default setting. But if you always want it to ask you every time you upload a new video, then you have to click on this last option. That's the default setting, right? Another thing again you need to know again is what? Subscriber count. Do you want your YouTube viewers to be able to see the number of your subscriber, or you want to hide it? Now, by default, it's going to display it so that people can see the number of your subscribers. And if you don't want them to be able to see the number of your subscribers, you can hide it. You understand what I'm trying to say now? If you uncheck it now, it's going to hide. When people see your channel, they will not be able to see the number of subscribers that you have. You understand what I'm trying to say now? So you can click on save. You understand what I'm trying to say? Another thing again, let's go to feature eligibility. Feature eligibility. Now, in this case, now what you need to do is that now by default, you see now videos over 15 minutes. Whenever you have video over 15 minutes, it's not going to upload. You understand what I'm trying to say now? Except you enable the features that, yes, I want my video to be more than 15 minutes. You understand? Now intermediate features now. No, that's number 2. Videos over 15 minutes custom thumbnail knife or whatever. If you want to enable video over 15 minutes, then you verify your phone number. So it's going to know whether you have this account or whatever. It's going to ask you to verify. Oh my god, it brought me back to this page. I hope I'm gonna be there. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think I'm still there. Yeah, it's because I requested for verification in phone number. Let me just go back to where I am. I hope I'm still there. Yeah, so that's just it now. It's going to ask you to verify your number, and once you do that, it's going to be able to allow you to post video that is more than 15 minutes. You can post video of 1 hour. You understand what I'm trying to say now? All right. I don't want to prolong this video, but let's see the other features in the settings. All right, upload default. Now this is going to be a kind of basic a kind of default title for your videos. Tell viewers about your video. Okay, my video is all about makeup, it's all about this and that, so just write it. And what about your visibility? It's very important as well. If you always want your video to be published immediately, you can choose private. But now if you choose unlisted, that is whenever you upload a video, sometimes you might not want the video to be live immediately. Maybe probably you are not done uploading the thumbnails and all those things that you need to put. You are not done putting the description, so you might still put the video in what's it called, unlisted. Then later, when you are cool to go, then you can go back to publish the video. But that's what you can do here. Now you can add a default title that describe your video. So now advanced setting again under this one. You can choose the kind of license that you want. Now in this particular one, now you understand, you can see standard YouTube license. What does this mean? This standard YouTube license means that whenever any other person tries to upload your video, it's going to notify you that yes, somebody has posted your video, and it's going to also notify those people that yes, you have already posted another person's video. And that means whatever the person is earning from your video is going to be going back to you, because you are the original owner of the video. And that's the license, that's the copyright license. So when you give it a standard YouTube license, definitely when your video is going to be copyrighted. But if you choose this other option here, Creative Commons. Creative Commons means that yes, you want people to be able to use your video for free. They can publish your video for free, and when they publish your video for free, definitely YouTube is not going to owe them for it. It's not going to owe them for any copyright or whatever. So you already make it a Creative Commons, and that's why sometimes as a YouTuber, if you decide to be uploading other people's videos, you have to first check if the video is a Creative Commons or whatever. Otherwise, your account will not be approved for monetization. And please, I want to tell you this: whenever you are creating a channel, YouTube, they don't joke with copyright too. So never upload a video that has license. You understand? If you want to upload other people's video, make sure you check it that okay, yes, this video is free, it's Creative Commons. You understand what I'm trying to say? There are a lot of things I need to tell you, and I can't finish it in this my video because I don't want it to be too long. But in my next video, I'm going to be telling you more about so many things about YouTube, how you can grow your channel, how you can get subscribers, and how you can get watch hour. You don't have to pay anybody before you get subscribers. You don't. There are some strategies that you can use. All right, so let's just leave this guy. Yeah, look at the comment now. If you don't want people to be able to comment to your video, you can disable it here. I don't want people to comment. And if you want people to comment, you just leave it like that. You stand. You can decide to hold all comments for review, and you can decide to allow all comments. It's left to you to decide. You understand what I'm saying now? Now you can decide to choose the category of your what's it called, of your YouTube channel. Is it comedy? Is it entertainment? Is it blah blah blah? Is it tech? Is it pets? You understand? Is it education, science and technology? You can decide to choose the niche that you belong. So it's even going to help you rank better on search engines. You understand? So because the most important thing is for a video to rank. When people are searching for something, they should just bring your video first. Sometimes when you post a video and people still search the same keyword that you have used in your video, it might be maybe the number 100 video, which is very bad. All those things you are going to learn in my next video. I'm going to keep it short, okay? I just want to cancel this guy so that we can move on to the next one. I'm just trying to rush this guy. Okay, what again do I have? I'm still on that settings. So that's why I said you should use the desktop view so that I can have other settings, right? So now let's go to permissions. You understand? You can decide to add another what's it called, you can try to add another, what's it called, another person to manage your YouTube channel for you. So now you can set the permission, then community, blah 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 blah. Add moderator, you can add a moderator, you can do this and that. Just go through that yourself. And that's all. Now in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload your video to YouTube channel. And by doing this now, let's quickly do something now. By doing all this, just what we have done here now, you have already created a YouTube channel already. Now let us now go back to, if you should go back to this channel, and let me view it in mobile view. See what I'm saying now? I just want to view it in mobile view. Let's see what's going to look like. Hey, I'm watching my video time. I don't want it to be too long. So now I don't want it to be in mobile view. I don't want it to be in desktop view again. I want it to be in mobile view. You will see that you will not have these options that I have here. Where's the tip of my brow? Okay, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Let's change it back to mobile view. Let's see what's going to happen now. Can you see? Let's wait for it. Oh, what's this guy? What are you telling me? Mobile view. Yeah. Okay, YouTube. I'm on YouTube Studio. Sorry. Yeah, I'm on YouTube Studio. Yeah. Let's just go back to this now. Now look at it now. If you now want to upload your video, you understand, you don't have to be doing this all the time. Just quickly go to Play Store. If you don't have YouTube app, you go to Play Store and download YouTube app. But if you are using Android, definitely you should have YouTube app by default. Go to that YouTube app and open the YouTube app on your phone. Now let's go back. This, I already have it open before. Now look at this now. I'm already on my YouTube app, and the channel is already up. You understand? And that's the channel, right? So what do you have to do? Just you can now click on this video icon here to upload your video. You understand? I'm going to talk about, there are a lot of things you need to know about uploading video, otherwise it will not rank. You understand what I'm trying to say? And also about the monetization. I'm going to be making videos on that. So now if you click on the video icon here, this video icon, let me show you. Once you're on the YouTube app, you understand, you can see, you can add the stuff. Now you click on this video icon. Now you can try to upload a live video, or record a video, or choose the video you have before. You understand? Let's just, I have this guy now. You can upload it. Now even with this now, even with this, it's not going to give you all the features that you want. I think this was not the channel I created in this video. I think the channel I created in this video was for, yeah, this guy, the one I uploaded this video, Test TV. Yeah, I remember. You understand? You just select that channel, because I have a lot of channels here. So now you click on the video. Now once you click on that video, the video icon that you have here, just click on it. Now you can decide to go live or record a new video, wherever, and then you can select your video here. Now you understand? Once you select your video now, even with this, you don't have a lot of what's it called, features. You understand? That's why after you do this, I'm going to introduce an app that you can use to edit your videos and do some other stuff there. Now look at it. Now you write the title of your video, maybe how to bake cake or whatever. I'm just gonna give a random stuff here, cake, this and that. Then the description of your video. In this video I talk about how to bake cake, blah 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 blah, how to mix flour, how to add sugar, how to do that. Just make sure that it's well descriptive enough. Tell people to subscribe to your channel. Now can you see now, because the privacy, now you can decide to make it public or private. So it's public now by default. You understand? And you don't have to add location. Do you want to add location? If you want to add location, you are free, and that's it now. But still, uploading video via this app, it's gonna limit you to some features. For example, now on your video now, you have to put a thumbnail. There's some other stuff, other options you need to choose. So it's not giving you those options now. Alright, so in my next video, I'm going to be telling you how you can do that. That's one. But number two, after uploading this your video, but even here you can still upload your video, just that you will not be able to add thumbnails and other things, other features. Like for example, now after you watch a video, now you can decide to what choose a video that's going to pop up next. All this kind of stuff. You can't do that here. So that's why I'm going to be introducing you to some other apps that you can use. But after doing this one now, there's an app that you can download in Play Store, which is called YouTube Studio. I'm just going to discard this. I'm not uploading any video yet. It is called YouTube Video. You understand? So that YouTube Video, when you download that app, that's where you can manage your what your YouTube analytics, and you can edit your video there. So once you upload your video from that YouTube app and you go back to YouTube Studio, can you see now it's named YT Studio. When you open this app now, it can it's going to allow you to manage all your videos. It can display a lot of analytics on your videos and all those things. And once you click on the video, for example, I click on this my video now. This is another channel. I can edit it from here. Those options that you don't have in that app, you can get it here. But by then your video is already live, or probably you have not published it yet. So with this now, I can add a thumbnail. Can you see the thumbnail that I was talking about? You have to design the graphics and all those things, and just to cover up your video and all those things. You see that you can add so many other things there, advanced settings for your video, all those things I'm going to talk about in my next video. And please, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. It's free. Also click on the bell icon so you are not going to miss my next video. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Subscribe. Thank you.